600 million is a joke. 600 million, it's a normal day. After all, it's not a Saturday, so these people are supposed to wake up and go to work. So why 600 million? Exaggeration does more harm than good. It's a joke that this country, that these people have went to a point of going to the White House Oval Office and complain that the country, there's too much crime in this country. Today, we have a Mazanga commission that shows that lawlessness, even the police, the top generals were captured. It's not acceptable. It's not to tell us about 600 million about what, when people have got a constitutional right to march, to protest about what? About illegal foreigners, undocumented foreigners in this country. The main culprits are Nigerians. Call a spade, don't tap dance around the truth. Nigerians are a problem in this country. They are not here to work either a place that you know. They don't wake up in the morning and go and work. But check where they stay. What did they do? They are here. They are not because they are desperate. How many countries they skip before they come to South Africa? If they have tact and audacity, they must go and face Boko Haram. They must go and face Boko Haram than to kill the black child and destroy and speak on the graves of the martyrs, those who fought for our freedom. It's a tired argument that people fought for us. We fought for ourselves. I was tortured, not on behalf of someone else. I was shot at. My home was bombed. We were at where the heat of the struggle was. So don't tell about people who tell about solidarity. They are told by their parents that they actually fought for us. Who fought for us? We fought for ourselves. We were detained. This country has got the highest number of massacres in this country. So now you have a tired argument. No, the African people fought for us. Even internationally, people fought. We pledged solidarity against apartheid. So don't come and blackmail us. Tell me who went in exile and opened a spaza shop and then sell drugs. People were in the camps. People had a reason why they left the country, because they wanted to come back and topple the apartheid regime. So what is this? It's not acceptable. It's not acceptable. It shows that the government has failed. People have, our border is a so-called border because it's a walk in the park. It's not acceptable. People have been communing for so many years. Like Dubé were alive today. Killed by foreign. There are a lot of people have been killed in this country. These guys went to a point of pushing police like that, you know, like as though they themselves were the men of law and order. Lawlessness. It's not acceptable. South Africa has long been a joke, not let alone a banana republic. It's not acceptable. It's not a country that we actually dominated by drug lords, and they're arrogant at the same time. So it's not a country. The fugitives around the world who are running from their troubles around the world, they come to South Africa and settle in South Africa as though South Africa is actually a heaven. It's not acceptable. Mabahambe, amandla awethu.